Yep, welcome back to another Data Series episode. Hope you guys have enjoyed your Thursday, I think. So yeah, we'll just go through. I think, let me see, 13th of April. That's where we left off at. There we go. Hope you guys have had a good day trading today. You know, I've kind of noticed something recently that kind of worries me, but at the same time, kind of brushing off as well. I'm starting to get more impulsive, but yeah, I might have to make a video on that soon. We've got a change in state here, a weekly for Valley Gap. Daily looks normal, it's kind of bearish. Continues to be bearish here. So I want to see what lower time frame wants to do. Just put that in now. Oh. Oh my days. New page. Looks normal going into a weekly Valley Gap. Daily is bearish, order flow, but need to see a low time frame because the weekly is bullish. And then we go to the 4 hour. Not really much to see on the 4 hour. Kind of holding bearish, it seems. Little burst. A bit weird. Not gonna lie. No, really weird. We got SMT at a high, or lows. Not gonna pay much attention to it though. Yeah, we tapped this for Valley Gap. We tapped that for Valley Gap. Wanna see. Okay, let's see the hourly here. Really weird. Let's hit that low. 20 points from that. Not bad. There we go. Hourly change. Like to see that. It's pretty good. Hopefully we get the same on. Yes, yep. Let's see. Not coming off of anything here. So hourly changes. We have this hourly for Valley Gap as well. Very nice. Use the imbalance here. Oh, yes, this one. Cool. So yeah, I want to see these lows get taken out here. Let's see if we get some sort of manipulation, some sort of Judas swing up there. Okay. Let's go for 4 hour. And let's general this. Hour seems to be respecting that bearish rally gap. not exactly clear for the flow, bearish or bullish. So relying on 1 hour here. Then on hourly. Clear bearish for the floor. Actually not really clear, but bearish for the floor for 1 hour. Would like to see if we're going to get back into. And then for us to go lower and take out those doors. Alright. Same thing on the ES. I want to see these highs get taken out. Boom. We have this low here. S&T. About the same in terms of whichever asset's weaker. So I want to see whatever model appears first here now. Coming into that change again, looks like. Just keep looking. Not really any highs, but I'm used to this high as well. Right, some those highs as well. So let's see if we just get displacement lower, then that'll be pretty good entry. Alright. Not really liking it. Got S&T these low, those highs, I mean. So yeah, NQ is definitely stronger. I'm gonna take on yes, but yes doesn't seem to have any clean entries, so I just wanna keep looking. Keep going. No, more S&T here. No model. Sucks. Yeah, NQ might give us a model here, but I think the draw is going to get taken. Or the dump. Oh, maybe not. $15-minute is being respected. We inverse that. Actually, no hell, we're respecting that. Doing the bottom imbalance. 15-minute change. I mean, if order flow is bullish, then I don't want to see that keep holding. Looks like it is on NQ. So probably London high now is the draw. Yeah, that's London high. We coming up with anything here? Let me just stand a bit out. Let's see. Not really keen on targeting anything higher, honestly, but not coming off with anything which kind of sucks. I prefer to see a model on ES. Maybe one more resweep and then we dump. One more. Kind of looks like chop now. We just want to go higher. Respecting the order block. Yeah. Just look like we're gonna. It's pretty clear that we want to go. Order flow is shifted higher now. Let's go to the open again. See if we can. No, these targets are way too far now. And for ES. These shows already taken out, but London, taken out already. So probably no trade on this day. Let's take a look at what happens. Yeah. Okay, so take a picture of this, and then we'll go and all that. No trade here. 15-minute shifted bullish and continue to respect. Order flow. No longs taken because the draw was too high. And because draw was too high and no trade. No model. And essentially highs were taken. Yes only. Oh, and Q already. Okay. Nice. Come. What base? Oh wait. Bullish, yeah. Bullish. Yes. Okay. Next session. Let's have a look here. So again, we got that weekly for value gap and that weekly change. We've tapped that weekly change now as well. So I still want to keep seeing higher. Probably draws this high now. Daily here looks about the same. Tapping into that for value gap. Again, want to see the draw on ES be that high. 4 hour, we make a change in the state. Non ES though, so a bit skeptical there. I think it should be fine. We have SMT at these highs though, which is a bad sign. But overall, I feel like, yeah, I feel like it should be fine. We have this for value gap here. And same thing, we have this for value gap here on ES. Let's do 15. Oh, actually, we'll go with the 4 hour. Draw this range here. Let's go encroachment and just take a look at what's going on. Where we have this minuscule for value gap, but we look like we are rejecting from it, so we have this 15-minute change. And then same thing on ES, we have this 15-minute change. Alright, and now, not really much here to see now. Okay, let's start journaling this. So, high time frame, want to see longs. We tapped into a weekly CISD, however, and then the bullish value gap. Want to see lower time frames support being bullish. Daily, not really much to see on the daily. other than EQ being met. So 4 hour. So this one is kind of discorrelating assets, but then again we've made this order block. I don't really use order blocks like that, but let's see. So 4 hour bullish order flow on NQ, but not on ES. No CISD. I would prefer to see both assets, lower time frame, be correlating. Okay, and then we'll go to the hourly. Not really much to see on the hourly here. Oh wait, actually, with this hourly change, so perhaps this might be a bit, bearish. You might want to see that EQ or fair value gap get tapped into, and we have S&P at the high, so it makes sense. Actually copy this. Boom. One hour has bearish change in the state. However, the high time frame I believe is bullish. I will be order flow fluid here, and won't rush into any entries. Okay, so 15-minute change. I want to see order flow keep supporting that 15-minute change. We have really clean, what's it called? Buy side here, really low resistance highs. Want to see that probably get run through, but just keep looking. Okay, we disrespect that. ES made triple equal highs, so it's still valid, but it looks like that we want to go lower now. Want to see probably shorts, but I'm not going to take anything. Why? Because the 4 hour fair value gap is literally right there. That's literally my target. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. 5 minute. 5 minute order flow. Just correlating. Lower probability now. Made triple equal highs. Above ES. Let's take a look at the 4 hour again. We've already tapped that for value. Oh, yeah, okay. So let's just see what's going on now. I want to see ES hold that change in state, but see, nothing. We just run straight through that. So I'm pretty confident that we come for EQ or just chill here. Yeah, just chill here. Don't think how much have we troubled. So 123 points, not bad. So I want to see EQ tapped into and then probably a model there. First, look at this. Yes, run straight through the 50-minute CISD. Don't really want to take any shorts here unless there's a model up here in the premium. But yeah, we just come lower now. We have met EQ and want to see probably some sort of internal manipulation of these lows. Alright. pay attention to ES. Fire for Valley Gap. The EQ is already tapped into. So let's see this. Okay. Too much hesitation on that change. Don't really want to see any longs from here. I think it might be too early. Might get a resweep these lows. Really consolidative. Okay, beautiful. If we just displace through this now, it'll be really nice. Beautiful on ES. So we've got our internal manipulation, got EQ. Is a pretty nice entry here. Let's see these equal highs now as a draw. Might go break even at this for Valley Gap or something. Not really sure right now. Just actually we'll use standard deviation. Yeah, but this looks pretty good. In terms of earliness, I'd probably be a bit skeptical, but like I probably would want to see a 5-minute change or something. It would be nice, but I don't think we are going to get that, and especially because we're in equilibrium, I can take a 1-minute entry. So let's take a look at this. Don't really like how big the stop is here. I think I will limit order this. I think, like, thing is the R is nice, but I want to take partials, you know, so negative 1 lines up with that. Okay, so I'll do this. Limit order this. Alright, let's take a look. Wow, straight stop loss, holy. Wow. Holy shit. Straight stop loss. That's insane. That's crazy. I have no idea why that lost as well. I mean, yeah, we're kind of pretty bullish, but I mean bearish, but we've met EQ, we've had that internalization. Yeah, I think this is a fine entry. Maybe, perhaps the change in the state might be a bit too hesitant, so I would like creating it. So maybe that's why, but. Pretty nice model here. Showing the flow. I think model wise this is perfect. Not perfect, but could be better. Model wise could be better. But I think model wise could be better, but since CSD was a bit hesitant. But framework wise, we were in discount, so 1-minute entries were fine for me. Although this could be because I was using a 4-hour range. More comfortable with 1 hours. However, this could also be not true. Because not back-tested 4-hour ranges for 1-minute entries a lot. Possible red flags. Borderline CISD hesitation. 4-hour discorrelation. Really big jump. Okay. I think that's it, basically, for that. Not too mad about it. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with the loss. I don't think I could have taken anything else either. I wasn't bearish either, so I mean maybe this changed, but it's not really that clean. Actually, yeah, it is clean, but framework wise, I was bullish. So I think this is okay. I'm fine with that loss. Go back to the daily, and we'll restart Friday. Reset for Friday. We have this weekly imbalance again. Inside that right now. This is Monday? What? Oh, Friday was Good Friday? Oh shit. Okay. Friday's just not there. Okay. Alright, so let's start on Monday then. April 18, 2022. Hopefully that's not a... Yeah. No news week. A bit pushy, but it's okay. Inside 1 hour range. Oh, what? Inside daily or weekly for Valley Gap. I think, wait, did we endorse that? No, we didn't. Still expecting it. Daily now is holding bearish order flow. So let's copy this. By creating the order block. Bearish order block. So go back to the daily here. Inside that daily for Valley Gap as well. Inside daily for Valley Gap. That's basically it. I want to see this low probably. Doesn't look like we wanna compare. Because if we did, I think we would have already. Fire range again. Very nice. Really clean. Like that a lot. And same thing on yes. So let's do the hourly here. Nothing on the hourly. Inside an hourly for Valley Gap right now. Bearish hourly for Valley Gap. On EQ. Could draw this range out, but I don't really like it. But yes, though, might be a bit better. Not really. Not really. We use the hourly range, 4 hour range. So we're inside this for Valley Gap here. I want to see a 5-minute change or something. So we did get that 5-minute change, but we're kind of not really holding it. So I want to see this. We have the CST here. I want to see this buy side here get tapped into, and then we reject off of that. Have some more flow going bearish and go lower. So yeah, let's journal this. Inside bar Valley Gap. Want to see lower. Hourly presents low resistance draws. Resistance draws. Want to continue some lower. A 15-minute. Nothing much. Look, 15-minute. Pretty kind of choppy. Wanna see that right side get hit. Acting as internal manipulation, and then put 5 on it to go lower. Or 5 and up. I would like to see double confirmation here. Double confirmation here. So, okay. So, oh my god. Okay. Okay. So we have this height here. Use that for internal manipulation. Still need to see an hourly. Oh wait, actually, hourly has shifted structure. Is that an entry? No. It's kind of low probability longs. Like, I don't really like it. Why? Because we have this hourly order flow shift, right? We have bullish order flow on the hourly. Not really bullish on. Actually, yeah, bullish on ES as well. Yeah, bullish on ES as well. We got that hourly change here. So probably want to see longs now. Honestly, after that, gotta reassess. So now we're respecting 5-minute bullish order flow. Okay, want to see some sort of entry to equilibrium. However, it's going to be probably, if I was to take this, lower risk, because we're inside for value gaps right now. Hourly order flow has shifted. Bullish. So EQ or for our gap, which we are in, is possible. S&T at the lows in London. That's basically it. Okay, let's see. So we are in this 15-minute value gap now. Oh, wait. Actually, yeah. Use this. Tap that chain. Order block. Almost at EQ on ES. So I want to keep seeing maybe a long here. So probably using NQ as an entry now because presented its model for us. Doesn't look like there is any entry there. Maybe on a 3. Yep, 3-minute entry here. Problem is hourly, no hourly change. The problem is, I think, the draw is too close, and the stop is too high, or too low. 1 to 1.6. Is it high probability draw? Am I confident with the draw? Not really. I'm not really that confident, and it's lower than 2RR, so. Wait, I gotta. Yeah. I don't know. I think I just gotta keep looking. I'm gonna leave this entry here. Actually, you know what? I'll take it lower risk, lower size. Wait. Like, it's my gut feeling saying that it's not gonna work, but that's the thing. I can't really trust my gut feeling. And why is this low probability? Because we're opposing a 4 hour for value gap. Yeah, and then we've got that change. So, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Doesn't matter if I lose this. Wait, actually, I'm gonna replay this because it would have been a market order. Okay. Oh crap. So, wait, real quick, let me draw out that high because that's kind of pissing me off. Don't know why I'm not drawing that out. So this here, almost 200 points. Could target it. So let's see. Place order, market. So. And ES is actually stronger. So I don't know. I think this is fine. Red flags are that we are going against a 4 hour value gap. However, order flow is bullish, and it wouldn't be if we wanted to go lower. That's the 5 minute. ES is stronger than NQ. ES is the stronger asset, but I'm taking it on NQ because it presented the model. And highest hanging fruit is 200 points away. Is exactly. It's almost. Exactly 200 points away. This trade would probably be a B in terms of framework, but otherwise, I guess miss. Okay. See, nice. We keep going higher, which is pretty good. I'm actually gonna take a look at what standard deviation is. So -1 aligns with EQ, which is beautiful. I'll probably just leave EQ alone though, like partials alone though. Yeah, probably just leave partials alone. Beautiful, beautiful push. As soon as we get EQ, I'll go break even. Wow, we're just dumping. What the fuck? What? What did we tap into? We took age over. I don't know why we would just dump after that. What? Damn. Okay, well, all we need to do is journal this. Ended up pushing higher, but never tapped into my 3E, which was equilibrium. It really sucks that I got stopped out after it pushing higher like this. However, of course, I understand that this was a lower probability setup, and that we were going against Flower. I could have probably gone break even at the high where it tapped into. However, I didn't really think it would reject after that high out of nowhere. So a bit bummed out about that. Bummed about that. Overall, this could have been a break-even trade. However, it is subjected to where we should be. Now, on the 2 minute, maybe there was like an intermediate and low that I could have trailed to. Here. It's not even that wiki either. Only 2. So I probably could have trailed there. Yeah. It's not really that wiki. Should I replay it? No, I shouldn't replay it. It's a bit confusing though, like, I don't know why I just did that. I'll give myself the benefit of the doubt. I'll replay it. Actually, no, I won't. I could have trailed at 2 minute intermediate and low. However, I didn't look at it, so I didn't know that was there. So 5-minute change in the state. We're respecting this 5 now, and also it's lunch already. Okay, damn. I don't know. I think the trade is fine, but yeah, it's just wide journal. It's fine. Yeah, overall, went lower. Overall came lower, which to be fair is expected. Yeah. So PM session might be a little bit better. I'll actually just go through PM session. I think we dump. I think we dump, but now we're just gonna. I don't know. What was doing? Okay, that's fine. Really sucks that I didn't go to EQ. Man. Alright. Let's journal that. Inversion change in vision. What's the model? W subjective break even. And this one was L. Oh wait, this one was L. What's the model? What's this? Yeah. Okay. This one was bullish. I was wrong, and it became bearish. Yes. Did follow my rules. That's basically it. And this one, no trade. Okay. Oh wait, why is it? Oh, subjective break even. Yeah. Okay. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this data series episode. We're actually gonna go to ChatGPT and then get the thing. Pre-market analysis summary. So, yeah. Wait, no, so lessons from backlisting. This is it. Okay. So we'll go over here and deal with this. Boom. Trading against the 4-hour value gap, which reduced probability despite clean low time frame model. Bullish hourly order flow on the downside was lower probability. Only take these if you have exceptional lower time frame alignment and strong RR. Execution and break-even management could have gone break-even earlier. Awareness of nearby low time frame keep with better break-even placement. Missing the 2-minute intermediate on low meant you didn't trail. You could have reinforced his need. Check low time frame. Trader outcome awareness. Price went in your intended larger direction eventually, but your execution window and stop loss didn't cause the step up. Trade was ultimately lower probability from the start, exit outcome without frustration. That's a red flags. Trading against high time frame for value gap unless high time frame overflow for all lines. Time frame low time frame bias conflict avoid unless extraordinary. just give me lessons. Don't take trades against higher time frame for value gap unless higher time frame also supports the direction. Not really. If higher time frame and low time frame buys conflict, treat the trade as lower probability and side down or pass. High time frame and low time frame buys conflict, treat the trade as lower probability and side down or pass. Yeah. Not that much better than not trading at all. Bullish hourly order flow reduces short probability, requires strong rejection and its SMT confirmation at highs. Order flow reduces short. Yeah, but it's not really that. After entry, it will check. Yeah. Actually, I'll type this out. Remember to check for possible stop placement. In backlist. Nearby strong reaction points can be valid, break even, adjustment charges, separate model quality from framework quality. Or separate model quality from framework quality. A perfect low time frame model doesn't override. Yeah. Not really a lesson though, I knew this, but like, it's just obviously low probability setups can still work, but compared to for any subplots, accept these outcomes without frustration. There we go. And also we'll do this as well. Triple equal highs while the other doesn't confirm the signal. Hasn't changed in state, should be treated with lower quality. Fire ranges may affect one entry reliability. Consider backtesting specifically for fire. Yeah, we'll do that. Large aggressive moves are open, are red flags, they can distort clean structure and cause upset. This correlation in permanent order flow between assets is a caution sign with a good alignment. 5 minute I think is fine. Like low time frames, discorrelating assets is okay. It's just like higher time frame, so I'm not gonna include that. In fact, I'll do the caution sign, but I won't do just completely wait for realignment. Yep, so that's the end of the day series episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. It has been a long hour, I'm not gonna lie. We're actually gonna take a look at what today gave, like on Wednesday. See what happened here. Yeah, we just went lower. Okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.